one of the things that I figured out very quickly is that we as a community were not being intentional about helping our law students. And people were getting lost and they were missing out on opportunities and on connections. So in 2015, I started the Georgia Latino Law Foundation, which is an organization that helps Latinos interested in a legal career. And because I understand, and because for the past 8 years we have worked so hard to help that pipeline, we actually align, our mission aligns very closely with organizations like APAVA. And we help them, we work together a lot on the things that we do. One of the things that I started in 2020 in the midst of the pandemic was a judicial internship program. A lot of law students were losing their jobs because of the pandemic. And if you've been to law school, you know that those internships are incredibly important for your experience, for your future job prospects. Just, they are something that you work for all year long. And I just couldn't sleep. I literally woke up every day at 3 in the morning thinking about what are we going to do about these young people, I call them kids, but not kids, these young people. And it occurred to me that regardless of what was happening, the courts were working, even if it was online. And so I was a staff attorney at the time, I was not a judge, but I had a lot of friends that were judges. And I called a few of them and I asked them, would they be willing to take a virtual intern? And I'm very happy to say that something like 27 of them said yes. So we were able to get virtual internships for 27, 30 law students that COVID summer, and give them a really substantive, meaningful opportunity that they otherwise would not have gotten that summer. And that program is not limited to Latino law students. We accept law students of every race and ethnicity. I thought it was going to be a one-year program, but the next year, everybody was calling us and asking us, are you guys doing this again? So we continue doing it. We're now on our 4th or 5th year. And it actually has become a program to help first-generation students, and actually a good number of them are Asian that participate in our program. We have had Korean law students participate in our program that were actually in Korea. They had gone to Korea for the summer and they were working. One of them was working for Judge Doyle, for Sarah Doyle of the Court of Appeals, because we understand that everybody has different needs, is in a different place, and we're trying to meet people where they are and give them an opportunity. So it has been incredibly rewarding. We work with judges of every court, from magistrate judges to federal judges. Many of our judges will take 1 or 2 interns. And like I said, judges like Judge Doyle they actually prefer to take immigrant students because they like helping them through the process. Judge Doyle's husband works with a lot of Korean companies. So she has actually a very a soft piece in her heart, I think, for a lot of the immigrant students, and she has taken a couple of Korean law students for the summer through our program. So it's a great program. I mentor law students from every race and ethnicity. I believe in connecting people and supporting people. I think that the future of our profession and our country is only as strong as we make it, by making sure that people are following their passions in a way that is intentional, that is supported. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So there are some Korean